Upbeat background music plays. Hey everyone! Welcome back to Life Tips. Today, we're diving into something that's close to my heart: desk organization. Whether you're working from home, studying, or just need a more organized space for your hobbies, having a tidy desk can make all the difference. I mean, we've all been there, right? The clutter is real, but don't worry. I've got 5 super simple and affordable DIY desk organization ideas that will totally transform your workspace and boost your productivity. First up, we're going to use something you probably already have in your kitchen: empty cans or jars. These are perfect for storing pens, pencils, scissors, basically any small office supplies. Start by cleaning out your cans or jars thoroughly. Then, grab some wrapping paper, fabric, or even leftover wallpaper and cover the cans for a nice personal touch. And there you have it, instant pen holders that look super cute and cost almost nothing. Next up, let's talk about these magazine holders. Sure, they're made for magazines, but you can use them to organize notebooks, mail, or even tech accessories, like chargers and cables. Just pop them on the side of your desk for a clean and organized look. It keeps your papers and accessories tidy while freeing up space. Tip 3. DIY cable management with binder clips. Now, one thing that drives me crazy is cords everywhere, but I've got a simple solution: binder clips. All you have to do is clip these to the side of your desk and thread your cords through the metal handles. This keeps your chargers, headphones, and cables from falling behind your desk. Plus, you'll always know where your cables are. No more digging under your desk. Tip 4. Make a DIY drawer organizer with cardboard. Okay, let's move to the drawers. If yours are anything like mine, they're a black hole of clutter. But don't worry, let's DIY a custom drawer organizer with some cardboard. First, take some old cardboard boxes and measure out the sections based on what you want to store: pens, sticky notes, paper clips, etc. Then cut and glue them together to create dividers for your drawer. And there you go. An easy DIY drawer organizer that fits your exact needs, super cheap and super satisfying. Tip 5. Create a bulletin board with cork sheets. Last but not least, let's add some function and flair to your workspace with a DIY bulletin board. All you need is some cork sheets, which you can easily find at craft stores, and a picture frame. Simply cut the cork to fit inside the frame, pop it in, and voila! You've got yourself a stylish bulletin board for reminders, to-do lists, or inspirational quotes. This is perfect for keeping your important notes front and center without adding to the desk clutter. And there you have it. 5 simple and budget-friendly DIY desk organization ideas that will transform your workspace into a productivity haven. Whether you're working, studying, or just want a tidier space, these ideas are sure to help. Let me know in the comments which tip was your favorite, and if you try any of these out, I'd love to see your creations. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and hit that subscribe button for more easy DIY and organization ideas. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.